welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and today we're going to be unboxing the Sew Sampler box. This is a monthly sewing and quilting subscription box put out by Fat Quarter Shop. The boxes are $24.95 a month and I will put instructions on how to get the boxes in the description box below this video. So you can definitely click there if you are interested and like what you see in this month's box. This is the March 2020 box. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. So the first thing in this month's box is the little theme thing here, and it says Made with Love, March 2020. And then on the back, there's a 30% off Tula Pink rulers, and they give you a little promo code. And her rulers are really cute. They've got these unicorns on them, and I think they might all be different. I'm not sure. I've only seen a few of them, but they are super cute. So always fun to have a discount coupon. The next thing in my box is this little guide. It comes in every single box and it has information on all the products in our box. It also includes the retail value so you know what kind of value you're getting in your box. So the first thing I grabbed here are these 10-piece unicorn head straight pins. These are by Tula Pink. They're part of her Tula Pink hardware collection. And they're just your standard sewing pins, but they do have these cute pink unicorn heads on them. And of course, they make any sewing room a little bit cuter. These are retailing for $1.98. So I guess they're a little bit pricey for how many you get in there, but they do have these cute little headers on them. And I know that I will be putting these in my little pin cushion that sits next to my sewing machine to kind of help decorate it and give it a little bit extra fun, as long as Jax doesn't get into them. The next thing in our box is this 10-piece assorted color wonder clips. These are put out by Clover and this is their rainbow collection. The plastic base lies flat for lump-free layers and is marked with 1/8 inch increments for easy measurements. The mix of colors also adds a little bit of fun too, and these retail for $6.48. And if you followed any of my video tutorials, you'll see that I use these wonder clips all the time. They're probably one of my top sewing notion picks. The next thing in my box is this 2.5 by 6.5 ruler. This is also by the Tula Pink hardware line, and it says it has a scissor grip on it. What does that mean? With scissor grip. Oh, okay. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got a little scissor detail on there, and it's the grippy stuff that keeps your ruler from sliding around in the background. Very cute. Okay. And this one retails for $9.98, and it says it is a handy size for many projects. The pink crosses donate every 1/4 inch increment for precise measurements. Jelly roll and charm pack friendly. The pink tint gives it more visibility on fabric, and even the grip is thoughtfully designed in the shape of a heart and a pair of thread scissors. Okay, I don't know if you can see that any better. I took the packaging off, but there is a cute little heart and scissors right here. My only complaint, I think, with this ruler, it's super cute and I love pink, is that it does not have a hole in the top. I have all my rulers hanging on pegboard over here on my little display right over there, and so they're just really easy for me to get the size I want. So this one doesn't really have any way to hang it up. So yeah, that's the only bummer, but otherwise it's really cute, and I always love getting rulers. So the next thing in our box here is this Rise and Shine quilt pattern. This one retails for $9.98, and it is a Sew Sampler exclusive, and it says warm up to the bright and happy design of the Rise and Shine quilt. Designed for our all-time favorite pre-cut, the Fat Quarter, this geometric frame block works best with a fun focal print. A surprise star forms between the blocks to create movement and good vibes. And it looks like it finishes at 52.5 by 73.5, and yeah, it looks super cute. Let's check out the inside. Yeah, looks pretty easy. They have instructions on how to cut the fat quarters, which is always nice. It is in color, and then it does look like you've got some kind of diagonal sewing, but otherwise everything seems pretty straightforward. It looks like a lot of little pieces, so maybe a little bit more challenging if you're a brand new quilter, but if you've been quilting for a little bit, you should be able to handle this no problem. The fabric in this month's box is the Petite Homemade Fat Quarter Bundle. This is, of course, by Tula Pink. There is nothing better than something homemade, especially when it has a touch of Tula Pink. This 5-piece Fat Quarter Bundle features prints from the homemade fabric line by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. And it's inspired by quilters. 4 quilters in a palette of zesty lime, pink, purple, and blue. Rulers, rotary cutters, needles, and pins are shining facets in this collection, but of course, a beautiful sewing machine is the heart. And if I didn't say it before, this retails for $14.48. And then the last thing in our box is our Goodness Grows Quilt Along block for this last box. This is block number 12, so it is the last one, and it also comes with the finishing instructions as well. So if you've been following along, you'll notice that all of the blocks that I have shown are kind of a variety of sizes. So they show you how to put all of those blocks together and then how to finish this outside border in this final finishing pattern. So let me show you the other blocks that came in it just so you can kind of see if you're new, because this will be the last one and then we'll be getting a new box, which I'm always excited for. But this one was really cute. One of my favorites actually. There is some applique in here, so I guess a good way to kind of practice some new skills. If you wanted, I suppose you could skip those blocks or just do something different for that area. But as you can see, she did a variety of fun little sampler blocks here. And this is featuring her Strawberry Jam collection of fabric by Corey Yoder. And yeah, you can make all of these little blocks and then put it together in this fun sampler quilt. I think this quilt will be really fun and springy. And then of course, here we are at this month's block. And then again, you got the finishing instructions in this month's package as well. So super cute. They tell you everything you need on here, how to put all the blocks together, how to do the cute little kind of scalloped border that they have there. And I think this will be a really fun springy pattern. I may actually make this one just because I love it. I don't have this line of fabric, so I'll probably have to try and use something different. But either way, I think it'll be really a fun, cute quilt. So that is the last one for this. So next month's box will have a brand new sew along with brand new blocks to look forward to. So that's everything that came in this month's box. I did tally it all up for you. It looks like this month's box has a grand total of $52.86. Overall, I've been really happy with my Sew Sampler boxes. I've been getting them for about 3 years now, and I'm usually pleasantly surprised by all of the fun contents. My other thing about that is that they're only $25 a month, and that's a lot more manageable than some of the other subscription boxes out there in my opinion. And Fat Quarter Shop is really good about putting beginner patterns in their boxes and fun new fabric and patterns as well. I think my favorite things for this month's box are going to be the fabric, the ruler, and these cute little pins. These are just adorable, and who doesn't love fun unicorns? And Tula Pink's fabric, I'm sure you guys have all heard of her fabric before. It's always super bright and colorful and cheerful, so it's always a lot of fun to work with. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite product was from this month's box. I always love doing unboxings. That way you can see what comes in these boxes before you spend your hard-earned money on them. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. The next thing in my box is this. It comes in, one of the sides lays flat for a lump-free marking. Let's see. And my battery is literally running out already. I'm wondering if there's a hole in this. Let's take it apart. I don't have any scissors, ironically. Designed for I can't talk today. Focus fabric. Okay. This is a Tula Pink Fat Quarter bundle by Free Quarter. Oh my gosh. Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. Try and say that 3 times fast.